Hello everyone! Today I will be presenting the Trader Joe's mobile app along with my team who consists of myself, Georgia Campbell, Richard, John, Gabriel, Caesar, Samantha, and Yoslin. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of the project. We'll be creating a mobile app for Trader Joe's grocery store. The app will have a grocery list for you, check store availability, you'll be able to see how busy a store is, you'll be able to see what's in stock currently. So this will be from a start to finish project. We will be going from the ground up. So here's our work breakdown structure chart. As you can see, our major task, one is outline project details, next is to create the app, and then 3 is launch the app. As you can see as we go down, our first is all about budgeting, creating market research, analyzing market research, recruit needed positions, educating stakeholders, and then next we have design app, code app, obtain a CRM system, test app beta, fix any bugs and finalize, train employees on the app, and then lastly we have roll out app, social media marketing, track performance, review user feedback, analyze results, create adjustment plan, and repeat steps 2 to 5 as needed. So here we're going to be doing our project network diagram. Our critical path is marked in green. We'll have our project start, our first task at 1.2 on the critical path consisting of 7 days, then 1.4 of recruit positions marked with 21 days. Next is design app with 14 days. We also have our non-critical path assignments such as 1.1, 1.3, 1.5, and 2.3. On this next page of our network diagram, we'll see the dates continue with 2.2 consisting of 90 days, 3.1 consisting of 7 days, then we'll go to 3.3 consisting of 14 days, 3.4 another 14 days, then we'll analyze those results at 3.5 with 7 days, create adjustment plan at 14 days, and lastly fix bugs and retest 3.7 at 14 days. And then we'll also have 3.2 with 14 days, 2.4 with 30 days, 2.5 with 14 days, and 2.6 with 14 days. Next we'll have our Gantt chart. You can see here all the tasks we previously went over displayed in a different way. You'll see our 1.1 starting in week 1 and going all the way until week 21 on this page. And continuing that progress, we'll go all the way to week 48. Here is our human resource chart using the Gantt project. You can see we have several positions such as app developer, app researcher apprentice, HR recruiter, market researcher, marketing, social media, and project manager, and rollout marketing. As you can see, the most commonly used task is going to be app developer, so they are going to appear on this chart the most. As you can see, they're pretty present in all of the projects as well as the project manager. Next, we'll move on to that time phase budget, each task appearing 1 through 1.1 to 3.7. We have each task name, the start date of each task, what week that will consist of in the project, the total per task, and then the breakup of that total of labor costs, material costs, and other costs. As you can see, the biggest task is going to be designing that app and coding that app, so they have the most budget, mostly in labor cost. Here's that budget displayed on a line chart. We will have weeks 0 through 49. As you can see, there's a spike at week 10. That's when we start to code and design the app. That'll be the biggest amount of budget, and then you can see several spikes within there, and you can line those up to the more expensive tasks we showed on the line before. Here is our creative content. The first one we'll go over is the request for proposal template. We'll have our project overviews, our project goals, the scope of the week, current roadblockers and barriers for success, evaluation metrics, and requirements. The next creative content is lessons learned log template. We'll have the project name, date of last update, date of failure, participants, project summary, description of project failure. For example, here we're having issues obtaining the CRM system, possible causes of project failure, signs of impending failure, and what exactly went wrong, and then key potential risks. Next, we'll have a performance report, project name, project sponsors, project manager, the performance details, work breakdown structure progress, performance progress, project performance. This is where we will be able to see our percent completed, our cost spent, our earned value, planned value, actual cost, cost variance, cost performance index, schedule variance, and schedule performance index, all filled out here by our teammate Ruben. Next, we have the creative content of project change order request. This is a sample one filled out by our teammate Ruben. In there, it's going to have the request name, the request number, the description of that change, the reason for that change, impact of change. For example, here, it shortens our time, proposed actions, and associated cost. In conclusion, that was the Trader Joe's mobile app. We went over the work breakdown structure chart, the network diagram, the schedule chart, human resource chart, time phase budget, line chart for the time phase budget, and our creative contents. If you have any questions, please reach out to me or anybody on my team. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoyed.